So yeah, Nike Brazil, not the best condition. I have to use this as a rag, to be honest, my polishing rag.
Whoa, what are you doing? No, don't use it as a rag. Get out of the bit. Give it here. Give it. Give it here. Mental.
Something that I might just use as a rag or just donate straight away. I don't think this will sell.
Don't listen to that fool back in that other video. He was going to use this as a polisher, a duster. He was going to chuck it in the bin. This is the t-shirt I'm on about. I naively thought this was suitable to be used as a dust cloth or a polisher. It's going to get my shoes, my Dr. Martens, bit of black polish on, rub it right in, shine it up. That's what I thought it was good for. Thought, you know, Nike t-shirt, Brazil, like random football team, on the back, just a club crest that is cracked. Yeah, just, I said, what did I say originally? I thought, yeah, chuck it on, £8-10, try it out for a couple of months, and then if it doesn't go, then yeah, it's getting chucked or just being used as a rag. Luckily, thank God, I have you lovely lot out there putting me straight when I mess up completely. Shout out to Andrew, Money Mental, Retro Jamie, and there's a few others. I think there's 4 or 5 of you that rightly said, do not throw this away. This is worth a good bit of money. So what this is actually from the 90s. And I should have known that because Brazil, the football team, they've won 5 World Cups, I think it is.
According to Wikipedia, Brazil is the most successful national team in the FIFA World Cup, being crowned winner 5 times.
5 times. And if you don't know football, every time you win a World Cup, a FIFA World Cup, you get a star on your club crest. Like England has just the one. Was it 50 years on waiting still? But we'll get another one, don't worry. Yeah, I should have known this. Brazil have 5, famously. And on this t-shirt, they have 4. They won their last World Cup, I think 2002. So obviously predates back then. So the oldest it could have been was 2002. Because obviously playing in 2002 they hadn't won it just yet, it's later on in the year. Just quickly going back through that video comments, it was RTW who pointed out it looks like the one from the famous airport skills video, which was for the 1998 World Cup, which was in France, and France won that. I was only 7 back then, so I wouldn't have remembered that, but looked it up and you know what, it is the one they're wearing. This is the clip.
Due to weather conditions, flight 409 to Paris will be delayed.
Yeah, there we go. I should have known that. I have seen that advert plenty of times before, famous advert. And yeah, lo and behold, it's the one they're wearing. There's a blue and white one, and then a few of them are wearing the classic yellow, blue and green colours. So I now know, well, I should have known, this is from the 90s, 1998, and also to tell as well. Retro Jamie also told me that the tag, the silver tag, that's also from the 90s, so I know to look out for that in future. Also, just big label Nike swooshes are in demand as well at the moment, especially on Depop. So yeah, there we go. Someone has got one listed exactly the same as this, sort of exact same condition. They're asking £40. I think free postage. But obviously, you can ask whatever you want for an item. Realistically, I should be looking to sell this t-shirt from a rag that was going to be probably chucked in a bin at some point by myself. This should be at least £20 here. Maybe more pushing 25, 30, because this is a men's size large. A very large as well. Pushing extra large, I'd say. Again, measure pit to pit, measure the length at the back and all that to make sure it does fit the buyer or whoever wants to buy it. So there we go. The moral of today's video is, yeah, you just don't know what things are worth. So research, research, research. I only touch clothing slightly when it comes to winter periods like jumble sales, charity shops, and even then I'm very picky in what I do pick up. So this clothing malarkey is still new to me, and this proves I don't know everything. So again, take what I say with a pinch of salt. This is just me on my journey, my reselling journey, which happens to be derailed at the moment this year and last year. So adapting to new markets. And yeah, that has taught me a very good lesson. Just research everything, even briefly, even a quick search up on eBay, like Nike Brazil t-shirt. I'm pretty sure I would have found that £40 listing. Then that would have sort of perked my ears up, gone and sold, and would have seen them selling for like £20-25. But no, I thought I knew what I was doing. I was like, oh, it's just a t-shirt, scuffed on the back. Yeah, I'm going to use it as a rag. So thanks everyone that did point that out. You've saved me 20 quid there, so I owe you a drink. Everyone that did point that out whenever we're allowed to get together again. And I will definitely be doing more research in the future. I've been picturing this box load at the moment. I've had a few other boxes as well. Yeah, the profit margins on these boxes, like the last video I done, 10 kilograms, it was 164 all in to probably 250, pushing 300 after fees, all the work involved. Yeah, it's a lot of hard graft and things. I'm used to buying one thing for 150 and then flipping it for like 250, 300. That's my sort of cup of tea. So doing all this is purely just to keep the money coming in, even if it isn't as much as I'm used to. Keep it ticking along, keep the store going and things, uploading new things, learning new niches. That's what this first quarter of the year has been about, really. Yeah, profit's not as big as I'm used to, but thankfully the new announcements means we should be out there again mid-spring, hopefully. So yeah, stick with me. The cool stuff will be coming back, the proper cool stuff. Yeah, there we go. Short and sweet video. Hope you enjoyed this extra bumper video. Yeah, that's everything from me. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you've learned something from this. Hopefully you haven't chucked anything worth some money away, especially 20 quid. That's nothing to be sniffed at, 20 quid. If someone gave me 20 quid right now, yeah, I'd happily take it. So yeah, always plenty of things to learn. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ta-ta. Bloody hell, eh? 20 quid. 20 quid.